came close to losing the spark. No map, no brush, just me and time. Days passing without a sound, while everything changed inside. Long nights, distant mind. The world running, I stayed behind. They were chasing the now, I was building the after. They ran, I stayed, they talked, I listened. They were searching for answers, I was waiting for the moment. Destination, just time and direction. What changed inside me still has no explanation. After the wait, I came back different, same soul, another silence. I don't see the same. After the wait, something has changed. It wasn't outside, it was here within. After the wait, haven't arrived, but I'm no longer who stayed behind. Yeah. The days passed without waiting for answers. Someone shifted in the route, every step felt a little lighter, without knowing where this would lead. Still far from the end of the rails, but already far from where I began. Without knowing the next route, just following the station itinerary. They don't know what happens when waiting becomes a journey. When time stops standing still and starts moving again. No rush, no destination, just time and direction. What changed inside me still has no explanation. No shortcuts, no return, just time changing everything. No answers, just the route, still following the future. No destination, no map, just rails on the road. Just time passing by, and lights changing. Now they look as if I already knew, but I couldn't see the final stop either. As if I had never waited, without knowing what would come next. They see the now, they didn't see the process. They see the movement, they don't feel the effort.